Whoa, wait. There is no point in skipping through this video, alright? So make sure to watch it till the end because the link to the model is hidden somewhere in this video, alright? Now also, make sure to subscribe, to like, and to comment to see more content like this, alright? With that being said, enjoy. Alright guys, so today we've got some kind of air combat, alright? So this is not the best air combat you could possibly see on Roblox, but it shows you one way of approaching this kind of system, okay? So you'll see in tomorrow's tutorial episode on how I've done this. But yeah, so this is the air combat. As you can see, you have some kind of combo at the beginning, and then the target is flying up. So you're literally punching the target up, and then you're knocking the target down. And then I've used this Grand Piece Online rock shockwave thing from the last video to give this some kind of cool touch. Okay. Now, with that being said, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next video.